Look at this, guys. You've been asking for it. Fog and bubbles. Flubble. Flubbles or flobbles. Check it out. Look at this. It's floating way up in the air, too. This is the machine over here. From Froggy's Fog. We use this quick disperse. But this is totally awesome. Look at this thing. Venus Fog Pro LED. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
I mean, I can't. Somebody else can.
And look at the bubbles. Have fog in them. I love it. Neat stuff. They've got all kinds of great fog fluid here. They got the stuff that hangs low to the ground. They got the stuff that does the quick disperse. They got the stuff that hangs forever. But this is hot. I like this. There's a little, oh, it was there, but now it's not. Flobbles. There we go. It's called Flobbles. It's got the LEDs and the bubbles and everything. At NAMM 2019.